After our h1 tag, we're going to first open the PHP tag and close it. And now we're going to check if our rows array isn't empty. So if it isn't empty rows, then we'll do something. And what we do is we simply loop through all of the records. So for each rows as row. Okay, and now we will, after the opening for each statement, we'll close the PHP tag, and before the closing statement, we open it again, the closing curly bracket from this for each loop. Now we put some HTML content here. We start with the div class catalog wrapper. Inside of this catalog wrapper, we'll put div with the class catalog wrapper left. And inside of this left wrapper, we'll first of all create a few variables which will store the image details. So we start with the opening PHP tag and closing one, and then we create the variable called image equals, and now if image isn't empty, first we check. So if it is an empty row image, which means if we have some name of the image inside of our products table. By the way, let's have a look at the products table actually, so that we know exactly what we're talking about. We have a products table here. We have ID, name, description, price, date, category, and the image. So we basically checking if image field isn't empty, which it may, because it allows null values. We may not have the image of the product, obviously. So if it isn't empty, then on the new line, let's continue. We're going to create a path to media, catalog, and then we concatenate with the row and the name of the image. Otherwise, colon, we will simply display the placeholder image, which is media, again the same path, catalog, and unavailable .png, which is also provided together with the exercise files. So that's the first variable we've created. So we have the image itself stored inside of this image variable. Now we're going to check width of the image, which will simply be width equals and helper class, and a method which we'll create in a minute, get image size, get img size, and then we need to pass as a first parameter our image, and as a second what information we want to get, and we will want to get width. Now get image size function will return the array, and we need to specify basically which index of this array we want to return. So this is what it's going to be here. But before we create this method, let me just continue with equals, and we do the condition. If our width is more than 120, then we want this image to only go as far as 120. Otherwise, we will simply keep the original width. So our width will restrict the image to be no larger than 120 pixels. Now, let's move to the next video where we're creating this get image size method.